In this bag, I have everything you must bring on a long-haul flight. These are items that you must bring to keep you comfortable throughout your flight and make it feel shorter than it actually is. I'm gonna show you everything I have in this bag, but we're gonna get started by talking about the bag itself. This is a tote bag that I got off of Amazon, and the reason why I love this bag it's because it has so much storage to put your stuff, and it has a lot of dividers which can be very helpful. So first things first, let's talk about the outside. I like that it has this little divider, more like this little bag on the outside to put stuff that you might need here. I also like that it has this little strap in the back, so you don't have to carry the bag. You can just put it on the top of your carry-on suitcase, which is great. And on the inside, it has a ton of storage and tons of dividers. Everything in this bag is essential, so I'm just gonna get started with my fanny pack. So this is the fanny pack that I carry throughout the airport. And after I'm done using it, I'll just put it in my bag. But this is a must-have for me because I need to be able to access items that I have here quickly. So here's where I would put my phone. And on the inside, I have things like my wallet, I have chapstick, I have hand cream, and hand sanitizer. So this is what I carry in my fanny pack. In my electronics section, I have my iPad. This is a must-have because you need to be able to download shows, movies, audiobooks, anything that can keep you entertained during your flight. And in this little compartment, I also carry this, it's like a little folder, like a little bag where you can put all your documents. So I like it because it has a zipper. And here I carry things like our passport, and I also carry pens because sometimes you will need to fill out documents when you get to your destination. Another thing that I carry is my noise canceling headphones. These headphones are from Apple. I like them because they're really good. They block out the outside noise. The plane is a noisy place. You need to be able to just block out all the noise, crying babies, maybe it's your neighbor that's talking to the other passenger that's next to you. You just want to be able to block out the noise if you want to get some rest. In my electronics section, I also have this little AirFly, that's what it's called. This is a Bluetooth adapter that you connect to the screen of the plane and then connect to your headphones. I love this adapter because the earbuds that they give you in the plane are very low quality and they hurt your ears. So if you want to be comfortable, get yourself one of these. I got it off of Amazon and it's great. I also have this phone holder. I found it on Amazon as well. So it's gonna look something like this. You put it on the back of the tray from the plane, and this is a little magnet. So it comes with a magnet that you can put on the back of your phone or the back of your iPad, and it just holds it in place. It's actually very strong, and I love it because a lot of times you're not allowed to pull down the tray from the plane, or a lot of times you're eating and you just don't have a lot of space to do everything at once. So this phone holder is a lifesaver as well. You can just fold it and it's very small. You can just throw it in your bag. In this little bag, I carry all the medication that I'm gonna need. So I carry things like Tylenol, Aleve, I carry melatonin, my birth control pills, anything that's pill related, I carry in this bag. So this plastic bag is gonna be like your hygiene bag. So this is the bag that you will carry with you when you go to the restroom. So in here, I carry things like deodorant, mouthwash, more hand sanitizer, more mouthwash. I carry these little makeup remover wipes. And instead of bringing toothpaste and a toothbrush, I like to carry these disposable toothbrushes. They already have toothbrush on the inside. And you don't need water or anything. You can just use them and throw them away. I think they're great. So there's that. In this bag, I carry items that I'm gonna need throughout my flight. So I like to have them separate just because this is a bag that I'm gonna use very often throughout my flight. So in this bag, I have hand cream, I have deodorant, I have Kleenex, gum, I have a little perfume, I have my little contact case, and I have chapstick. So I like to have these handy. And I also like to carry snacks on long haul flights. A lot of times the food from the plane can be a hit or miss. So it's good to have snacks with you so you're not starving mid-flight. And I also like to bring an extra pair of earbuds. These are noise canceling earbuds. I have these in case my other ones die. That happened once, so that's why I like to carry these. But I much rather use the headphones instead of the earbuds. And I also like to carry this little Aquaphor. This is great for chapped lips or any part of your body that feels itchy or dry. This is great. So this belongs to this little bag right here. I found that every single one of these items in my carry-on bag has made my flight experience so much better, and I just think that everything in this bag is essential. I hope this video was helpful. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video.